So we just installed these really nice quartz countertops with a waterfall, and I needed something to turn on my garbage disposal without having to drill an additional hole for a switch in there. So I found these little cool things on Amazon. 10 bucks, wireless remote plug, 10-year battery life. You could mount it wherever you want, and with just a little click of a button, turns the garbage disposal on. I'll probably mount it right under here, maybe just on the door or right on the sink itself, but pretty cool.